Hello you lot, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keith, and today I'm going to do something completely retro. I'm going to make upside down pineapple cake. This was requested over a year ago by Ian Rolfe and also by Indochina James, and so sorry it took so long to get around to it, but we're here now and I'm sure it'll be wonderful. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And without further ado, upside down pineapple cake. Right, because it's an upside down cake, we need to do the topping first. So the topping is the bottom, okay? And then when it's cooked, we turn it over and the bottom becomes top. Yes. So what we need is 50 grams of soft butter, 50 grams of light brown soft sugar, pineapple rings, red things. So this can is 435 grams, but the drained weight of the actual pineapple rings is 260. So I'm pretty sure that'll be more than enough. I'm doing it in this loaf tin. Most often these cakes are done in a circular cake tin, but I think this will be nicer. Red things are supposed to be glacé cherries. Neither me nor Mrs. KeefCooks likes the things, also couldn't find any in the shop. So the birds have had all the cherries off our cherry tree, so I picked 7 small strawberries. Okay, I need to whiz these together to make them sort of creamy. Very easy because it's a very hot day and the butter is very soft. So I'm going to spread this across the bottom of the tin and about halfway up the sides. There we go. And that'll turn nice and caramelised and yummy and sticky and when it's baked. Okay, so look at these bad boys. I don't know where this trend for calling good things bad boys came from, but it really gets on my nerves. And I swear I will never use it, okay? Right, pineapple ring. Strawberry. Yeah, we're going up the sides. Okay, and I'll just rip it in half. Okay, wonderful. Now let's make a cake. Now for the cake, I've got 150 grams of butter, to which I'm going to add 150 grams of golden caster sugar, or regular sugar. This is the one that's a bit finer than granulated sugar, but not as fine as icing sugar or confectionery sugar. You know. 150 grams of self-raising flour. We also want 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Then whack it on the mixer, or do it by hand if you don't have a mixer. We want 3 eggs. And a sploosh of vanilla extract. Right, so mixy mixy. Just want this to become a nice smooth batter. Now you want your oven heated to 160 degrees Celsius for a fan oven, a convection oven. That's 180 for a normal one, and that is gas 4. Now we pop the filling into the cake tin, and I think I might add too much. No, I'm wrong, I haven't got enough. So that goes in the oven for 45 minutes and then we'll check it. Okay, time's up. So we'll just check if it's done. Usual thing, stick a skewer in it. If it comes out dry, it's done, but it's not dry. It's a little bit wet. I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. That's better. I reckon that's done. Now we need to turn it upside down onto this platter. But we'll leave it in the tin for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's remove the tin. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Yeah, I think it's gone kind of orangey because of the strawberries leaching colour. Could be wrong. Alright, now I think what I'm going to do is just drizzle the syrup from the tin over the cake. Okay, we'll let that cool down, then we'll do a taste test. And now it's taste test time with Mrs. KeefCooks. Oh, you look gorgeous.
Hi guys. Why, thank you. It's the power of a good scarf, that. Plus, 5 minutes ago I had headset hair. It's just about under control.
Right, that's yours. This is mine.
Heavens above. Ah. Oh, that's nice. I thought it would be really, really sweet, but it's nice and sharp with pineapple.
Oh, yeah. What?
Eating the pudding with a knife and fork.
I know. I might turn this into a pizza. But you know I won't. Okay.
That's really nice.
That's fantastic.
Much nicer than I thought it was going to be.
Good
I really did think it was going to be sickly. So, anyway.
Result. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Any tune you like.
What he said.